Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that yesterday we have finished our unit 5 and today we are going to start unit 6. Now unit 6 is basically related to art and music. Now what do you mean by art and music? Art, simply you can correlate with drawing or some sketching or that work, and music is related to singing, dancing, everything. Now, as you can see on the board, I have written your first topic of unit 6, that is page number 17, popular animated characters. Now if I talk about animated characters, means that character which are not real. Animated, that is imagination of someone, and that imagination will came into movies, into serials, all those cartoon characters which you see in the television, these all are animated. The movies, the kids movies like Cinderella, The Lion King, and so many movies, Shinchan movies is also there. So they all will comes in animated character. Animated means which is a kind of imagination and comes in the form of picture. So that is popular animated characters, that will become popular animated character, because these character like Ninja Hattori is a cartoon. Fine, that is an animated character. It's not a real character. Ninja Hattori doesn't exist anywhere, but that is animated. That is imagination of someone which comes into character, and then that cartoon will be there. Now I'm sure that you all have seen so many movies that is related to that only, like cartoon movies, and different movies were there. In Hollywood movies also you will find it out, means different movies may you can find it out, these kind of animated characters and imagination, like that Avengers, in that Hulk and all those characters, these all are animated. Hulk, no person is like that कि किसी को गुस्सा आए वो ऐसा पूरा green हो जाएगा. No, not that is not real. That is only imagination. So today what we will do, we are going to find it out some of the name of the movies, and related to that animated movies, and related to that character name is also given. So you will tell me which is the correct character of that movie. Now match the names, popular animated characters. Now match the names of these famous film with their characters. Match the names of these famous films with their characters. Now first movie name is How to Train Your Dragon. Now first name of popular in animated work is How to Train Your Dragon. Now this is name of one of the movie, and the very famous character of this movie is Hiccup. The very important and the famous popular animated character of this movie is Hiccup. So what is the correct answer here? Hiccup. In your book you are going to match with that. With Hiccup you will match it. Fine. So that is the very famous character of that movie, Hiccup. Fine. And that Hiccup was giving instructions that how you can train your dragon and all. Fine. So that movie, that Hiccup is also an animated character. वो भी बच्चे को इसी का imagination है. With that imagination they have made that character. Now number 2, the famous animated movie is, that is Monsters University. Monsters University. Now monsters are also not real. Monsters University. Now if I talk about monster, now monsters are not real, means these like भूत है या कुछ ऐसा मॉन्स्टर है, कुछ डरावना है ऐसा, these kind of things are not real. That is only a imagination. That's why we have made this animated characters and animated movies. That Monsters University, and the famous character of this Monster University is Sully. That is Sully. Sully is the famous character of this Monster University. Sully is the famous character of Monster University. Fine. And again you can see this Monster University is again an animated picture, and Sully is again an animated character. Now number 3. I am sure that this number 3 movie many of you have seen, and many times it came on television also. The Lion King. The Lion King. Quite famous movie, and the very famous character of that movie is, yes, that is Simba. Yes, Simba is very famous character of this movie. I'll tell you just now. Now who is Simba? Simba is that lion's cub. Fine. Lion का जो baby था, his name was Simba. And he is quite famous कि वो उसको लगता है what happened in the story that he thought कि उसकी वजह से उसके father की death हो जाती है and father has went away. तो what he has done कि वो अपना जो जंगल जो forest का area where they were living, he left that place and went somewhere. जब वो बड़ा हो जाता है then he find it out कि उसको लोग आते हैं मिलते हैं and then they make him realize कि नहीं, you will not spend time here, आपको वापस जाना चाहिए, and something has happened, you have to find it out कि क्या हुआ था, आपकी वजह से ही आपके पापा की डेथ हुई थी, and उसको याद दिलाते हैं that your real kingdom is not here, आपको वहाँ पे वापस जाना है, where your father was living, where your mother is still there. तो it's quite animated movie. ऐसा एक्चुअल में कोई शेर आपको ऐसा बात करता हुआ दिखेगा नहीं. सो दीज ऑल आर इमेजिनेशन कि हमारा जैसे एक्चुअल ह्यूमन बींग्स की भी लाइफ में होता है, लाइक द चाइल्ड इज टॉकिंग टू हिज फादर ऑल्सो, अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, बात करते हैं, जस्ट लाइक दैट दे वर इमेजिनेटिंग विद अदर कैरेक्टर्स ऑल्सो. लायन के साथ वो सारी इमेजिनेशन कर ली, सबके साथ कर ली. तो what is that Lion King is a movie, quite animated movie and very famous movies was that. Now the next is number 4, quite entertaining movie is that also Kung Fu Panda, and the very famous character Kung Fu Panda, this is the name, Kung Fu Panda. And what is the name of that character? Quite famous character, that is Pooh. Pooh is the famous character of this Kung Fu Panda. Fine. So a quite interesting movie is this Kung Fu Panda. I'm sure that you all have seen. अगर नहीं देखी, you can see that panda which is there in the movie ना, that मतलब brilliant movie, very nice movie. So you can watch that movie Kung Fu Panda. And the famous character, the name of that bear is Pooh only. So what we have done name of first 4 animated characters, and first one is How to Train Your Dragon. How to Train Your Dragon, and the very famous character is Hiccup. How to Train Your Dragon. Abhi what is there in that movie, that this character Hiccup is giving tips about how to train your dragon, that we can live with dragon and we can take care of dragon, and you will be getting tips of how you can train the dragon. Now number 2 is Monsters University, another animated movie, quite interesting movie, that is Monster University, and the very famous character is Sully. Now number 3, The Lion King, famous character Simba. that is Lion's Cub, and that will become king after his father. Number 4, Kung Fu Panda, and the famous character from Kung Fu Panda is Pooh. Fine. So children, this we have completed first 4, and now we will start our next, that is number 5. Number 5 we will do it again, name of an animated movie, and we will find it out the famous character of that movie. So what is the other one? That is Frozen. Number 5 is Frozen. Frozen is again a wonderful animated movie, and the famous character from Frozen is, that is Elsa. That is Elsa. Elsa is the famous character from this movie, that is Frozen. Now number 6 is Tangled. Tangled again, a very interesting movie, Tangled, and entertaining also, and the very famous character is Rapunzel. 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 Rapunzel is the famous character. Rapunzel is the famous character. Now number 7 is Despicable Me. Despicable Me. Number 7 is Despicable Me. And the famous character from this movie is Despicable Me. Despicable Me, that is Gru. Gru is the famous character from Despicable Me, and then last one is Gru after that, and the last one is quite interesting, that is Finding Dory. D-O-R-Y, Dory. And the famous character from this movie is Finding Dory. The famous character from this movie is Nemo. The famous character is Nemo. See, these characters you have to remember, as well as you have to remember the name of these characters, as well as you have to remember what? You have to remember that from which animated movie they are related with. Fine. Like आपको ये तो याद रखना ही है कि that famous animated character from the movie Frozen is Elsa. But if I'll ask that Elsa is the famous animated character is from which movie, then you have to remember this Frozen also. Fine. So in both way you have to remember. Now the very famous character from Frozen is Elsa. Then Tangled, the next is Rapunzel. Then Despicable Me, that is Gru, and Finding Dory, that is Nemo. Now after this you have an important tidbits in your book, that is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. This is again a movie and animated movie with animated characters of Dwarf and Snow White. Now this Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, this was released in 1937 and was the first full-length animated feature film. So this name Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs is very important. You just underline the tidbits in your book, that Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Now this might be you have read it in the story books also. आपने story book में भी पढ़ा होगा. What is there in that? कि Snow White, a small girl was there, and Seven Dwarfs were there, and that Snow White को वो Seven Dwarfs help करते हैं, and related to that only you have the whole story. Quite interesting story. And this full length movie which was released in 1937, and it was the first full length animated film. So with this we have completed our popular animated character, and we have understood what do you mean by animated. Animated means which is comes out from your imagination. If I talk about animation, we can talk about many characters. For example, that Donald Duck. Then we can talk about Tom and Jerry. These all the characters are not real. Fine. Almost every cartoon which you are seeing in the cartoon or in the television, that all are animated. These all are imagination of someone. And that sound also, that वो जो बोलते हैं, that is not exactly the Shinchan is speaking. Somebody else is speaking. वो कोई और है who is enacting and that speaking like that. So in that row, we have started our unit 6 art and music. So first we have done about art, that is animated work, that is imaginative work. Now what we will do next? Now we will do related to music, one page, that is page number 53. Let's find it out about music. So now let's start our page number 53, that is related to music, and the name of the chapter is Music Makers. Means in which we are going to learn to make music. What do we need? We need instruments, different instruments which can be played alone or along with other instrument, and we can play music over it, and we can hear some musical sound. Now music maker means the different instrument which are making different music. So we are going to study about a different instrument which are used to make music, and that music will play alone. If you can play guitar, you can play guitar alone, or you can play in a group also. That in a group you are playing and then everyone has some kind of a music. More often you have seen that in an orchestra or in a group, you will find it out that they were playing different instrument and they are coordinating with each other, and then they are playing a very soothing sound. Like in an orchestra, a number of instruments are played together, but they are so well coordinated that we find it out that what music they were playing, that is fabulous. So what we will do here today, we are going to read it out about different instrument. I will read out some of the clues and you will tell me that which instrument is this. Now music makers, read the clues to write the name of these musical instrument. Fine. Read the clues to write the name of these musical instrument. Fine. We'll start with number 1, that is doom doom doom. As you bang, I come alive and make you dance. What is the clue here? Doom doom doom. As you bang, I come alive and make you dance. Now doom doom, that is a symbol of drum. So the first instrument is drum. The first instrument is drum. You will write drum in that blank. What is that? That doom doom doom. As you bang, I come alive and make you dance. Okay, so the answer is drum. Now number 2. Hold me to your lips and blow through the hole. Hold me through your lips, to your lips, and blow through the hole. My sweet sound will reach your soul. Now in which musical instrument there is a hole and you are blowing through that hole and then one music was produced? That is flute. Fine. बांसुरी होती है ना, बांसुरी जो कृष्ण भगवान कहते हैं हम लोग, we often heard it that Krishna is playing बांसुरी. हाँ, तो that बांसुरी is called only flute. अब बांसुरी में आपने देखा होगा छोटे छोटे छेद होते हैं, और वो छेद क्या करते हैं, when we are blowing through that holes, तो क्या होता है, एक sound produce होता है, and that sound will reach to our soul. Soul मतलब हमारी आत्मा तक जाती है. म्यूजिक मतलब म्यूजिक, व्हाट डज म्यूजिक डू? आप क्या करते हैं? आप जब भी कोई गाना सुनते हैं, व्हाट डू यू फील? आप गाना सुनते हैं, आपको लगता है ना कि वो कितना अच्छा गा रहा है, या हाउ डू यू जज कि व्हेन यू विल फील दैट सॉन्ग, जब आप वो गाना सुनने के साथ साथ आप उसको फील कर पाते हो, तब वो आपको गाना अच्छा लगता है. इफ यू आर इन जॉली मूड, तो ऐसा अच्छा कोई डिस्को विस्को वाला गाना बजता है तो हाँ आपको अच्छा लगता है ना. वेन यू आर इन जॉली मूड, आप एंजॉय करने के मूड में है, और तभी कोई ऐसा कोई ऐसे पुराना सा गाना बजा दे तो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता. सो दैट इज वॉट, दैट इज ऑल थिंग, दैट म्यूजिक विच रीच टू आवर सोल. फाइन. So in that row we have done first one drum and the second one is flute. So we'll write number 2 is flute. Flute means, if somebody will ask कि flute को क्या बोलते हैं, then flute is बांसुरी. बेटा बांसुरी होती है, उसको ही हम flute बोलते हैं. Now come to number 3. We are pair of drums. pair मतलब दो. pair of drums with ropes tied around. with ropes, आसपास ropes लगी हुई है, रस्सियां लगी हुई हैं, and you have to use both hands to hear our sound. आपको क्या करना है? अब ये जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, in that we have 2 drums. pair of drum मतलब दो ड्रम्स हैं, दोनों को आसपास क्या है? that is tied around the rope and you have to use both of your hands to hear the sound. Now what is this? Pair of drums, aspas, that is tied by ropes, and then to hear the sound of that you have to use both of your hands. What is this? Yes, that is tabla. That is number 3, that is tabla. Tabla. Fine. Now we'll come to next तबला. तबला में क्या होता है? We have a pair of, ऐसे एक होता है, फिर दूसरा भी होता है, and then we will use to दोनों को बजाने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं, दोनों को बीट करते हैं, and then only we will be able to hear a nice sound. फिर ही तभी हमें अच्छी साउंड सुनाई देती है. Now number 4, to play me, pluck my strings, my lovely music will make you sing. To play me, pluck my strings, my lovely music will make you sing. ये क्या है? कौन सी चीज है जिसमें स्ट्रिंग्स होते हैं? और स्ट्रिंग्स को हम क्या करते हैं? स्ट्रिंग को जब हम ऐसे प्लक करते हैं, प्लक मीन्स बजाना, बजाते हैं हम उसको ऐसे ऐसे करके हिलाते हैं, एंड देन द म्यूजिक विल बी प्लेड. क्या है ये? गिटार. दैट इज गिटार. Guitar, and guitar is having 6 strings. गिटार में आपके पास 6 strings होती है, and every string is specified for that specific job. Find specific job, and it will define that which music will played by which string. So 6 different strings have 6 different kind of songs. Now let's start 5th one. When you draw a bow across my string, the sweetest melody for you I bring. When you draw a bow across my string, the sweetest melody for you I bring. Now what is this? That is violin. That is violin. Number 5 is violin. Now what we have done here? We have read all the clues related to the musical instrument which is given in your book, and then you have to judge that, you have to find it out that what is the name of these musical instrument. Now what is musical instrument? That I have told you in the beginning. I'll repeat it again. To make music we required an instrument. Now instrument means a setup or a such kind of a thing which produce few musical sound. Now they can be played alone. अकेले भी हम बजा सकते हैं. For example, मेरे पास एक गिटार है and I want to play it. मैं एक गिटार अकेले भी बजा रही हूँ. Or otherwise we can make it in a group also. and few person are having different groups also. And in an orchestra, वो जो group होता है when they are playing all these instrument in a group, that is called orchestra. Now orchestra में क्या होता है कि a number of instrument are played together and they are played in such a way that they are arranged in a specific manner. उसको rhythm के साथ arrange किया जाता है कि which part will be played by guitar and which part, and they have their specific part and they are going to play that. And such kind of a rich music they will produce. Different concert you have seen, आपने देखा होगा अभी भी, जैसे आप कोई भी डांस और सिंगिंग का कंपटीशन या शो देखते हैं, यू कैन सी 4-5 पर्सन वर सिटिंग, और कुछ लोग जो है दे वर सिटिंग ऑन वन साइड एंड दे वर प्लेइंग द इंस्ट्रूमेंट. ऑल द इंस्ट्रूमेंट आर नॉट मेड अप ऑफ सेम काइंड. सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक जैसे नहीं बनते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू टॉक अबाउट हारमोनियम एंड तबला एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, सो दे आर मेड अप ऑफ वुड एंड लकड़ी के बने होते हैं, और उसके ऊपर लेदर, जो लेदर होता है उससे उसकी फिनिशिंग दी जाती है. हारमोनियम है दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड एंड स्ट्रिंग्स जो उसके ऊपर बाद में कीज को लगाने के लिए दे वर यूज्ड. नाउ तबला जो है दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड एंड विद अ लेदर के ऊपर, उसके ऊपर रस्सी से उसको टाइट किया जाता है सो दैट इट विल बी स्टिक, और उसको नया बना के रखने के लिए इट विल बी पॉलिश्ड, उसको पॉलिश किया जाता है ताकि शाइनी अपीयरेंस रहे और इट विल बी लुक वेरी नाइस. सो what we have done about different instrument. Now new generation instrument like guitar are made up of metal also, and wooden, acoustic. There are different kind of guitars like acoustic guitar, electric guitar, and different kinds of guitar were there. Acoustic guitars are made up of wood, sorry. Acoustic guitar is made up of wood and electric guitar is made up of some kind of a metallic guitar is there. Fine. So अभी ड्रम की बात करें तो ड्रम is also made up of steel and with a thin sheets, जो उसको कवर किया जाता है with different sheets were there. For example कुछ मोटी होती है जिसमें से थोड़ी सी भारी आवाज निकलेगी, कुछ पतली होती है जिसमें बिल्कुल पतली आवाज है, and with the stick we are beating it and producing that different sounds in drum. So let's revise what are the clues related to all this: drum, flute, tabla, guitar and violin. Now what are the clues? Doom doom doom, as you bang I come alive and make you dance. That is your drum. Number 2, hold me to your lips and blow through the hole, my sweet sound will reach your soul. Now what is that? That is your flute. Fine. Flute means बांसुरी. बांसुरी क्या है, उसमें small holes were there and by blowing air into those holes we can play that बांसुरी. Now number 3, we are a pair of drums with ropes tied around. You have to use both hands to hear our sound. That is what? That is tabla. Now number 4, to play me, pluck my strings, my lovely music will make you sing. That is what? That is number 4, that is guitar. Now number 5, when you draw a bow across my string, the sweetest melody for you I bring. Now here tidbits is very important. To make music, instrument can be played alone or along with other instrument. Underline it in your book. And to make music, instrument can be played alone or along with other instrument. In an orchestra, a number of instruments are played together. Fine, in a group. So children, with this we are going to finish today's class. Now in today's class we have done unit 6. First we have done page number related to popular animated character, and after that we have done this music makers. I hope you have enjoyed today's session, and now next pages we are going to take in our next class. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.